Hey friends, if you encounter this error, another program is being installed, please wait till that installation is complete in Windows 11. Then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So first of all, it's very simple. Wait till the first installation is complete, and also check the internet connection speed. So go to fast.com and hit enter. This is because these apps are being downloaded and installed from the internet, so the internet connection speed has to be good. Now, once this is sorted, here's what you have to do next. Search for, simply right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and restart your computer. And then your problem will be fixed because the first installation will be cancelled, and then you can reinstall this or second software product. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.